Looking for a natural way to exfoliate your skin? How about trying a rice flower scrub with honey? This simple yet effective DIY skincare remedy can work wonders on your skin, leaving it radiant and refreshed. To prepare this scrub, you'll need 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of honey. Place the rice flour in a clean bowl and add the honey. Then gradually add a small amount of water while stirring. The aim is to achieve a paste-like consistency, so be careful not to make the mixture too runny. Stir until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Before applying the scrub, cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt and impurities. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. Now apply the rice flour scrub evenly to your damp face, avoiding the delicate eye area. Using your fingertips, massage the scrub onto your skin in gentle circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes. Focus on areas with rough or dry patches. After massaging, leave the scrub on your face for an additional 5 minutes to allow the beneficial properties to penetrate the skin. Rinse off the scrub with lukewarm water, ensuring to remove all traces of the mixture. Pat your face dry and follow up with your favorite moisturizer. Now, you might be wondering, what are the benefits of this rice flour scrub? Well, there are several. Firstly, rice flour acts as a natural exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and impurities from the skin's surface. This leaves your skin smoother and brighter. Secondly, regular use of rice flour scrub can help to improve the appearance of a dull, uneven skin tone, promoting a brighter complexion. Thirdly, the absorbent properties of rice flour can help to control oiliness, making it an excellent choice for those with oily or combination skin types. Fourthly, it helps to soften rough patches and leaves the skin feeling soft and supple. Lastly, by promoting cell turnover, rice flour scrub can improve the overall texture of your skin, making it smoother and more even. Incorporate this rice flour scrub into your skincare routine, and you'll soon notice a marked improvement in the appearance and texture of your skin. It's a simple, natural way to keep your skin looking radiant and refreshed. Enjoy the glow! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.